Hey, welcome to the Backwoods Gourmet Adventures. Today we're out in the middle of the Green Swamp WMA, and I come across this, I don't know, it looks like somebody really made a bad choice. Of where to go with their truck, and there's no road, and this swamp, all right? I'm gonna try to wade through it over here, and apparently somebody really overestimated their off-road capabilities of their vehicle, because I'm looking back in here, all right, and there's huge ruts. Looks like they were stuck here for a moment, and then somebody pulled them out. Huge ruts right here. Then back in here, I'm looking, and there is like a Ford stuck back in here. All right, here we go. Here's a bunch of tow straps, chain, ropes, all kind of stuff, but there's nobody around. Now I'm following the chain. We're gonna follow the chain all the way back here. All right, for some dumbass that decided that he could just go off-road in the Green Swamp in this heavy Super Duty truck. All right, we're gonna walk out to it, and he's got a lot of chain here, so I guess he's waiting for someone to come out here and try to pull him out. And you see all these hog rootings. All right, they got them things turned up big time. All right, yep, Ford Super Duty with a handicap sticker in the windshield. All right, he's got a handicap sticker up there, and yeah, he's got her buried pretty good. Couldn't get out. All right, so let's try to figure out what this guy was up to. All right, so he thought he was going to make a shortcut, go put his tree stand out there, and you know, okay, if it's FX4 off-road, but was not made to go over this kind of terrain, especially due to the weight of these trucks. He is buried big time. Big time. All right. So I should also mention that doing this type of thing is not only stupid, but against the law. Okay? It's against the law. So you know what I tell you there, buddy? My fellow Floridian, don't do stupid crap like try to cross a freaking swamp with your Super Duty, and you won't have these kind of issues.